Hi everyone, welcome back to Birchberry. I'm currently hiking out on our 100-acre property up here in the wilderness of Northern Ontario. Um, I'm actually, if you've been following me, you know that we've had a wolf hanging around the house this past week. So I'm actually out seeing if I can find any tracks. So far, all I found is deer tracks. And I actually had a wolf encounter a couple of months ago as well out in the front yard. I had my dogs out there doing their thing, and there was a wolf watching us. So, yeah, so there's clearly a wolf or two hanging around here, and I'm also out looking for birch bark. I'm experimenting painting some of my artwork on birch bark, so I'll let you know how that goes. And yeah, I think I'm going to spend the afternoon hiking and maybe stop somewhere and have a break and enjoy the view, and I'll take you guys along with me. Okay.
Jackpot. There's quite a bit of loose bark here. And I prefer to take the bark off of fallen trees than standing live trees. So I'm keeping an eye out for wolf tracks, and so far I'm seeing a lot of deer and moose. So here's some more birch bark. And again, on standing live trees, I will only remove any loose bark and then stop at the point where it's still attached. So I've been hiking for, I guess it's been over an hour now. So I think I will keep walking and see if I can find a place to stop and have a break. This looks good. Let's stop here. So I'm trying to be a little careful here and not fall over the cliff. That wouldn't be good. All right, let's see how many mosquitoes I end up eating and drinking. Well, no mosquitoes so far. Just enjoying a cup of my favorite brew and one of my snacks I like to have when I'm out on the go. So it's time to head back now. I didn't have much luck finding any of those wolf tracks, but I did get a lot of birch bark. I think I'll put some trail cams out. I registered for the Nature Conservancy of Canada's Biodiversity Blitz. So, registrants across the country documented the nature around them. And then they would either could do this through taking photos or recording audios, either insects, plants, birds, whatever you could find, and then share those observations with the NCC to help scientists and environmental organizations understand and protect nature. And lucky for me, the wolf showed up. It was early morning and I was eating my breakfast when I saw him out the window. This is the eastern wolf, also known as the Algonquin wolf, native to the Great Lakes region of Canada. They have an at risk conservation status, and on average, females weigh 53 pounds and males 67 pounds. It was quite exciting to have him or her, I'm not quite sure, to stop by. And then, actually, the following morning at about 5 a.m., I heard him howling just behind the house. This little red squirrel is letting me know that he's not very happy with me, and I think he wants me to leave. The red squirrel population in Canada has declined due to habitat loss from urban sprawl and logging, unfortunately. He's a cute little guy. Here's a piece of birch bark that I have rinsed in water and then let dry and placed under heavy books to flatten it. I'll glue it to a wooden canvas and again place some more books on top for about 24 hours to ensure the glue is dry before I start painting. I sketched this little chickadee using a 6B pencil. I found anything lighter would not draw any lines into the bark. It would just make an indentation. I then applied my magenta as my base color and then started painting using acrylics. I added some iridescent medium as a final touch, and I have to say I really liked how this painting turned out, and I think I'm definitely going to try some more birch bark paintings. We recently had the August long weekend here in Canada, and I made sure to take time and relax and enjoy these summer days. Our summers are quite short, so we try to make the best of them. And it wouldn't be a summer long weekend without a bit of grilling over the campfire, along with Mocha, my sous chef. And of course, we can't forget the marshmallows. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.